I'm here to tell you about the key features of the 158.75 mono 5BB PID solar cell series produced by 𝐃𝐞𝐲 Hershey Power. These 158.75mm monocrystalline solar cells are highly efficient with up to 22% conversion efficiency and adopt a range of advanced technologies. Double front and backside passivation prevents premature electron recombination on the water surface, increasing the cell's energy conversion efficiency and thus reducing the cost per kilowatt hour for PV systems. Multi-busbar design with 5 busbars in this product reduces resistive losses by decreasing the amount of current that flows in both the fingers and the busbars. We are using 0.7mm silver busbars, which improve current connectivity and reduce oxidization. To the cell's front, we applied blue silicon nitride and anti-reflection coating, enhancing the cell's ability to reduce the reflection of light from the front surfaces and minimizing the reflection losses. Cell's back is equipped with 1.8mm silver soldering pads and full surface aluminium back surface field. Back surface field is one of the techniques applied by us to enhance the cell's performance by reducing detrimental surface recombination effects. Surface recombination can have a serious negative impact on the short circuit current and on the open circuit voltage, reducing operational efficiency. Back surface field introduces a barrier to minority carrier flow to the rear surface, effectively passivating the rear surface, thus decreasing the surface recombination speed. Extensive testing and strong production quality controls ensure the cells don't have production defects and are strongly resistant to potential induced degradation effects. We highly value our customers, and our 24/7 online customer support team will follow your order with utmost efficiency and attention to every detail. In payment, we accept TT or LC. We are a highly experienced manufacturer of solar cells and panels, established in 2006 with 500 megawatts production capacity for cells, 850 megawatts for panels, and 4 advanced fully automated production lines. We are dedicated to the production of high quality photovoltaic solutions, including 156.75, 158.75, 166 and 210mm mono and polycrystalline solar cells with 5 to 12 bus bars. We pay high attention to workers' training and education, focusing on highly professional technical skills and accomplishments. Hershey Power aims to build a proven reputation and trust, always putting these qualities first. High quality equipment, professional technicians and engineers, best customer service team and experienced management is the basis of our company. In the current highly competitive business environment, Hershey Power always proves to have a good reputation amongst the customers.